What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for watching this video here. Go ahead and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this video here. So just quickly, real quick, I wanted to say check all the links down below in the description for any of these products that you might like or want to try. They'll all be linked down below to my Amazon affiliate link. Now I do get a small commission based off what you purchase, so make sure you support the channel, keeps us going and keep us growing. So, and get your Mendez merch as well. So anyways, I want to talk about how I'm preparing for the winter, right? So let me just show y'all the weather, because today is a perfect day. So right now it's actually 27 degrees. It's actually 8:04. I'm gonna head out around 8:30 to go ahead and start my day at 9. So hopefully by 9 it gets a little warmer. It says 33, but y'all see right now it's 27, which is way too cold to be out there detailing, right? So that's why I don't start early in the day. Anyways, look at my cat, y'all. Look, so this is my cat here. I found him actually at a client's house. He was a lot smaller, and don't mind the bed. I gotta give him a new bed. But yeah, his name is Simba. Simba. He's sleeping right now. It's a little early for him. But yeah, I found him in a client's house, and he was a kitten. He was smaller. Anyways, back to the video. So first thing that I bought when I, am prepping or trying to get ready for the winter is a heater, right? The heater is gonna go inside the van, and it's gonna go ahead and warm stuff up for me as I am, let me show you real quick. As I am leaving my products in there, this will heat up the van. I'm gonna go ahead and get the propane tank, because the propane tank goes on the side right here, and it actually is gonna go ahead and heat up the entire van for me. My van is pretty small, so just buy a heater based off the van size that you might have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. I've used this before, so all you gotta do is just leave the windows cracked just in case it automatically shuts off, because this has a sensor where it's just turn off on its own. So I believe this was the Portable Buddy Mr. Heater. I believe this was probably $100, maybe less, and it's definitely worth it, because I want to make sure that the water stays somewhat relatively warm, and all my hoses and my spray bottles, all like that, doesn't get frozen while it's in the van, right? So now on to the next thing. That's the first thing you want to probably buy if you want to get ready for the winter. Buy a freaking heater, right? Alright, so now we are in my room, and something else that I bought was these thermal. These are very good quality stuff. This was on Amazon, I believe, and it's by, this is the brand there. Can't see if it focus. There we go. It's like Emrint, something like that. But y'all see, so I have the long sleeve shirt. This is a thermal shirt, and it's kind of like a silk almost finish. It's not like those regular thermals that you probably get from Long John's or whatever. And then we have the same for the bottoms for the pants here. And this honestly be working, man. I be super hot when I wear this, so I only wear it on days specific. Like today, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on underneath, and then wear my pants over it. I don't just go outside like this. Come on, you guys. But yeah, I just wear this under, put my pants over, and I stay pretty warm and cozy for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and just show you guys what it looks like. And then I have gloves too, but I can't seem to find them. I just bought them too, and I don't know where I had set them, but I can't find them. So that was what I bought. I bought the thermal, I bought the heater, and then I also bought some socks here. So these socks right here are gonna keep my feet warm, especially when you're dealing with water. If water falls on your feet, then you're gonna be screwed, especially outside. And these are kind of thick socks. I can't remember what brand they were, but if you look on Amazon, you probably see someone that are similar to these, and they were a 3-pack. So you guys can see this is what they look like, kind of, sort of. And I have this ski mask here. Let me put this on. Let me put this on for y'all real quick. Boom. All right. I got this from like last year when I was working outdoors at my job. My other job, my construction job. And we used to work outdoors all the time. So I bought this. Now, my face, you know, is definitely covered with these. Now, I wouldn't pull up to a client like this, right? Maybe put it down a little bit. Just, you know, say, hey, I'm here to, you know, detail the car, blah, blah, blah. You know, put your hat on for some more style. But this is what I, you know, wear if it's freezing cold outside. And then probably just wear like a beanie or something, because it's important to keep your face somewhat warm, right? So those are four things right there. All I'm missing is the gloves, and like I said, if I find them, take the damn thing off. If I find them, I will go ahead and include it here in this video. But so far, I have no idea where I put them or where they are at. So yeah, I mean, I can't do too much because I don't know where they're at. You see, I also have this this jumper box thing here, just because it does get cold. Sometimes your van might not start, so I bought this there just to jump start the van if I need to. And I'm just, you know, I have my gallon sizes here. I'm just moving in to my new place, so I'm still getting settled in and stuff like that. But as y'all can see, I can't find the dang gloves, so probably gonna end the video here. Yeah, probably gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully it brought you guys some type of value. I know it was a short and sweet video, but I also wanted to say that I bought this water heater. Now let me pull it up on my computer for y'all real quick. All right, so here's the water heater that I have right here. It's the tank heater with the guard. Now they do have a lot of other options on here, so you guys can pick whatever you want. And I always show you guys in my videos if you watch my videos before. And this is just simply, you just, you know, put it, you know, pour your water in your bucket, your wash bucket or your wheel bucket, whatever bucket you want to use, and you just heat the water up as, you know, much as possible, but you don't want it to be too hot. You don't want to boil any water out there, but just, you know, somewhat warm so you can, you know, pleasantly and comfortably wash the car. But that was just going to be the last thing that I wanted to show you guys, but that's actually in the van, and I didn't want to, you know, go out there just to show y'all real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready for work. I appreciate y'all for watching this video here, man. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments if you have any other ways that you guys get ready for the winter time, so that way I can take on, you know, some of your guys' tips and advice. But nonetheless, hustle never settle, you guys. Peace out, keep moving forward, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's go.